Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the best and totally free adult apps to your Fire Sticks or Android TVs. The whole process is going to be super easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. So now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get those apps to your device. First of all, you'll have to get an app called Downloader. You can actually get it totally for free from the official Amazon App Store. To do so, just go to search on your device. And now in the search bar, we need to start typing downloader. And now, as you can see, the downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So there was even no need to enter the whole name of the app. So we click on downloader, and there's the app which you need to get to your device. But after you got downloader, it is not over yet. We'll still have to set it up. So in order to actually stop downloader, we'll have to go to the settings by clicking on that button with the gear icon, and then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it, and here we'll have to turn on the developer options on your device. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, no need to worry, it's actually easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you'll have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times, and do it fast, so let's do it. And now, as you can see, for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case, and in your case it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which now have appeared for us right here. Let's open them, make sure to turn on the ADB debugging on your device. After that, go down to installation of unknown applications. Open those options, and from here you basically just have to locate downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally, let's go to the list of apps on your device, which is right here. Let's open it, and there's the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using the downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Romania right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now with a camera of your phone. It works the same way and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now finally, let's use downloader safely. So we gotta go to the list of apps on your device and start up the downloader application. Then of course wait until it loads for you. And here on the left side menu, it's very important that you click on Home and not on Browser. So once again, make sure that you have clicked on Home, and now in that search bar we'll have to start entering the codes. And the first code is going to be 307888. So once again, it's 307888. Make sure to enter it as you see and do not make any mistakes, because obviously if you make a mistake, then the code is not going to work. After that, you have to click on Go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you will get even more content about Fire Sticks. As well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot, and this way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. And now as you can see, the download has already started. Usually it doesn't take long. but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then you have to click on install and wait until the app is installed on your Firestick device. And after it's installed, don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you'll have an option to delete the installation files, as you don't need them anymore on your device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default you don't have too much of free space on your device anyway. Then finally, let's go to the list of apps on your device, open it, and there's the adult application which we just downloaded. I just had to blur out the logo of the app because YouTube may not like it, but in your case, of course, it's not going to be blurry. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and private while using such applications. And now let's go back to the downloader so I can show you how to get a couple more applications. So you click back on home, and now we'll need to enter a second link. So I will not pronounce the link, but you'll see it on your screen. So just enter it as you see. So here's the link, you can see it on your screen right now. Just enter it as you see and click on go. And now, after the website has opened for you, all you have to do is click on that Android app button. So we click on it, and in a couple of moments the download is going to start. Then, just like previously, hit the install button and wait for the app to install to your device. Then make sure to hit the done button and delete the installation files from your Firestick. And now, when you go to the list of apps on your device and open it, there you'll find the second app which we downloaded for you today to watch adult movies. I had to blur out the logo of the app for the same reason as previously. So that was the link for the second app, but now let's go back to the downloader so I could show you one more last app for today. So let's enter the link. Once again, I will not pronounce the name of the link, but you can see it on your screen. So there's the link, enter it as you see and hit the go button. And here, when the website is opened, just click on download the official app, and now the download of that app is going to start. As always, hit the installation button to make sure the app is installed on your TV device, and never forget to delete the installation files from your Firestick. Then, when you go back to the list of applications, you'll find the third app which appeared for us right here. So today you learn how to get the best adult apps to your Firestick, as well as how to set them up. Don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay private online, and enjoy. Bye bye.